something. I do not know where it is written.
No, Puranas, many kathas also written different Puranas kathas. Or what Srimad Bhagavatam is saying, just I also told you this way. Actually, this is not also true. That Srimad Bhagavatam also saying, this is called, what is called? Maya Vijrivinta Leela. What is Leela? That is called? Musa Leela and Mohishaharan Leela. These two Leelas, actually, they are to explain the people how they do understand. Because most of the people they call is Karmivadis. They absorb in karma. Or they are saying this way, this, oh, Krishna left his body this way, the other story is saying this way. That's not true. How possible the Jara, where he will be, he shooted the arrow on the lotus feet of Krishna. Because Krishna says in his Bhagavad Gita also, Atma cannot touch anything. Nainam chinnanti sastrani. So how possible Atma's Atma, Paramatma, Bhagavan, he also can be killed? How possible? Just he also showing this to people, then they will do this way.
There are different concept stories. Some people say that the whole gopis and everyone came and Krishna left with all of them.
Also, after killing the Dantavakra, he came to the Vrindavan and then he took everybody.
Even at the end also. Completing the...
Okay, today's topic is Bhagavad Gita.
Gita katha suno.
Gita, so that they can come in their life. I can understand too. It's not that only for me.
Mahabharata is very important. Mahabharata is called the Pancham Ved. Fifth Vedas, that is called Mahabharatam. Generally, we will know the four Vedas, Rik, Sam, Yaju, Atharva. Mahabharatam, that is called Pancham Veda. Pancham Vedam Mahabharatam. In that battlefield of Kurukshetras, this katha also described in Mahabharatam. And especially, which Parva? That is called Bhishma Parva. Bhishma Parva, this katha also describes in, I think, 25th chapter to 42 chapters. So 18 chapters. Then has described about the Gita this way.
Yeah.
And Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, actual Lord, He is teaching to us how will we realize our soul, Atma. So Gita's in Srimad Bhagavad Gita has described 5 types of knowledge. 5 प्रकार ज्ञान के बारे में बताएगा. Then first, that is called Sadharan Gyan. Sadharan Gyan means that is called general knowledge. General knowledge, that what is the general knowledge? I am not this body, I am the eternal servant of Krishna. Jive Sarup hoy Krishna Nityadas. All the living entities, they are eternally servant of Krishna. So all you are Krishna Das. Atma. Atma resides this body is working. When Atma goes out this body, then the body cannot work. And perceivable. So in this way, Krishna told the Arjuna in battlefield of Kurukshetra. Actually, Srimad Bhagavad Gita start in this way. When the two parties, Kauravas and Pandavas, then when they arrived in Dharmakhetra, Kurukshetra, so for this regard, Dhritarashtra, he asked to Sanjay, and Dhritarashtra Uvacha first started this. धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेत युद्धोत्सव मामका पांडवश्चैव किम अकुर्वत संजय. Dhritarashtra asked his Sanjay, my sons and the son of Pandu, they arrived in Dharmakshetra, Kurukshetra. What are they doing? And already he told Dharmakshetra, Kurukshetra, Samaveta Yuddhotsava. Yuddhotsava means they arrived in their for to fight to each other. So why Dhritarashtra's mind?
Dhritarashtra think that in Dharmkshetra, my son mind can change. Since it is that and the thing can stop.
Dhritarashtra, he is thinking, this is the Dharmakhetra, Kurukshetra. This place is called Dharmakhetra. Dharmakhetra is, if you go any pilgrimage place, automatically your mind will be changed. This is the nature also, this. So for this regard, Dhritarashtra's mind disturbed. Maybe my son, Duryodhana, Dushasan, without fighting and without any kinds of compromise, they will be give up everything. So for this regard, his mind is very disturbed. So for this regard, he used this word, Dharmakhetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveta Yuddhotsava, Mamaka Pandavaschaiva, Kima Kurvata Sanjaya. So what they are doing there?
Yeah.
This question is coming. And two things are coming in the heart of Dhritarashtra. Mamaka Pandavaschaiva. This is mine or this is yours. The conditioned soul, these types of conception in their heart. This is mine, this is yours. I say everything, what is the perfect thing is yours? The perfect philosophy, what is the perfect philosophy? Everything belongs to Krishna. Ishavasya sarvamidam jatkinjan jagatang jagat tena takta bhanjita ma gridha kasya siddhanam. Isha Upanishad very clearly explain, everything belongs to Krishna. Lord, Ishavasya sarvamidam jatkinjan jagatang jagat tena takta bhanjita ma gridha kasya siddhanam. Everything belongs to Krishna. This is not ours. Even this body also not belongs to me.
No.
This sharir bhi
told Sanatana Goswami when he said,
saying this is, but Dhritarashtra is thinking everything belongs to me. So for this regard, he is thinking, if my sons Duryodhana, Dushasan, and if they will give to Pandavas, then I lose my position also.
Dynasty.
All my position dynasty will I lose. For this regard, he used this word. And he is very anxious. Dharmakhetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveta, Yuddhotsava, Mamaka Pandavaschaiva. Here this very, very nice, beautiful these things. When our fighting is coming, this when one who is thinking this is mine or this is yours, then fight is coming. Now all the world, they are fighting to each other. Why?
this is mine, this is
This
yours.
is mine, this is yours. They are fighting to each other. They look not other than this.
Actually, only my belongs to Krishna. We all are yours. Nothing is mine or I.
When you will think everything belongs to Krishna, that time your mind will calm and quiet and peaceful.
Nothing. You have nothing.
Nothing. What is your? And another thing, why they choose the Kurukshetra then to
The war.
war? Why? Why they did not and war in other place?
Because he was till last moment, he was having this kind of thought process. Because Kurukshetra is also called Dharmkshetra, no? That's why in this sloka also Dharmkshetra.
And
So when
why this Kurukshetra is a Dharmakhetra?
because there, I think Parshuramji has
Or is the in the dynasty of And Kaurav is in their dynasties, Kauravas. What is your king's name? One day he was plowing the many years before and Kurukshetra war. That time one person, his dynasty, what is his name? They forgotten. He was plowing. Then in the meantime, Indra he arrives. Indra he say, "What are you doing?" "I am plowing." That time he okay. One who will die this place is called Dharmakhetra, and one who will die this place after his death, he will be attained to heaven, Sargulok. So for this regard,
So everybody is
everybody is going to say this place is good. If I will die,
At least I'll get
then
heaven. At least I'll get heaven.
Quran also saying this way. For this regard, they choose this place also. And that place is very, what is it called? Bistirno Bhumi, very
देखिए जाबो एक बार
wide place, very nice, beautiful place is there. And आपने जान नहीं कुरुक्षेत्र जान नहीं सब
जाबो एक बार
सप्त महामोक्षदायी का तीर्थ कहा जाता है. There are 7 liberation place. सप्त महामोक्षदायी का गया, गंगा, काशी तीर्थ, वाराणसी, कुरुक्षेत्र, मथुरा, हरिद्वार. Also this place is called also
Haridwar is this place.
just because you are also there.
no, Rishikesh also this belongs to the Haridwar, the zone. Haridwar is but if you deeply analyze, Rishikesh is higher than Haridwar. Very place.
This case is higher than Haridwar.
Haridwar. Pardon?
আমি একটা জব বলছি কি আপনি বলছেন জিওগ্রাফিক্যাল এরিয়া
You have been height wise also. This beach is little than Haridwar.
Uh,
And you go up
But
the
then altitude,
altitude. That was
hey, Ganga is coming from that way, this way. Haridwar, Hari mane Lord, Dwar mane Darwaja. Also, Hari means they are saying Shiva or Dwar. So for the people are saying, not they are saying that Haridwar, Hardwar.
Haridwar.
Hor mane Shiva. Dwar mane Darwaja. That the
that's
pronunciation
why
saying.
there is lot of big
Huh?
Shiva মূর্তি আছে না অনেক বড়
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 বৈষ্ণব না ইজ দ্য বেস্ট বৈষ্ণব
Oh. Shivji, yes, Vaishnava, Srimad Bhagavatam gives this evidence. Vaishnavanang jatha sambhu, nimnanang jatha ganga. And our Purananam jatha idam. Vaishnavanang jatha sambhu. There are so many Vaishnavas, but Lord Shiva is the topmost. Is. So just I also explained this Kurukshetra that is called among of the 7 liberation pilgrimage place. Sapta Moksha Daika. Sapta Moksha Daika. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Kurukshetra, their introduction is in Kurukshetra. Gaya, Ganga, Kasi, Kurukshetra.
গয়া তো বিহারে গয়া
eh,
বিহারে
Gaya.
ঝাড়খণ্ডে
जहाँ पे पिंडदान होता है
पिंडदान देते हैं हम लोग उसमें. Mayapur, even the Mathura also, this is called belongs to the 7 Mokshadaikas. Naming that.
वृंदावन comes in the Mathura.
Mathura is a district.
কাশী কলেজ
Kasimani Varanasi. Varanasi is important also. Lord Shiva was always saying in there. So just I also explain this way. When they arrive, that time Orju,
আপনি অনেকগুলো জ্ঞান বলেছেন তো প্রথমটা সাধারণ জ্ঞান
Pratham is Sadharana Gyan. First knowledge about the knowledge of general knowledge. General knowledge, that is called what is the meaning of the body. Then we are living in this body. This body is made by the 5 elements. मिट्टी जल अग्नि वायु आकाश
earth,
Yeah.
water, ether, fire,
Fire.
sky.
And but when Atma and inside this is called the sthul body. Sthul body is the gross body.
Minds and thoughts.
In this gross body, another body that is called the Sukshma Sharir,
Subtle body.
subtle body. The subtle body, Mon, Buddhi, Ahankar, Chitta. And inside the subtle body, then another body they call Atma Sharir. Because Atma is very, very subtle. And so for this regard, people they cannot understand. Just you are saying, and on the Kaldi people, they are even the scientists, they don't believe there is a Atma. Where is the Atma? Who has seen Atma? Because Atma is transcendental and very, very minute also.
Tip of the hair is one.
Balagra,
Kabir,
60,000.
one by 10,000. Tip of the hair you take and you divide it of that tip of hair by 1 by 10,000.
60,000.
60,000 kalika.
you look at them, they're saying, ये बालाग्र शतभागस्य शतधा कल्पते च भागो जीवस्य अनंतश्च कल्पदे बालाग्र शतभागस्य the tip of the hair, and if you also divide it the 100 times, then one part again also divided 100 times, that's the space of the Atma.
So,
Atma, soul, Atma.
10,000.
To the negative 4 times 10 to the
It's not
negative.
tiny hai.
So it's 10 to the
But
negative
how
8.
powerful it is.
Atma is. So for this regard, modern science or people they don't believe as the Atma. Who has seen Atma? But Atma is very, very minute. You cannot see with him. But Shastra is saying, Arev Atma drashtabba srotabba nididhyasi. Try to realize about your soul. You meditate yourself. Who are you? Atma, soul resides this body is working. When soul goes out, then this body cannot work also.
In the book, The Science of Self-Realization,
Self, this,
एक chapter actually.
yeah,
There are scientists, I'm not remembering the name of the scientist,
yeah.
but they talked a little bit about
This explain this way. And Srimad Bhagavad Gita first discourse is about these things. Yeah, what is called Atma Tattva and Anatma Tattva Vivek Gyan. Atma Gyan and Anatma Gyan. Atma Gyan about the soul. Anatma Gyan, that's about the material things. And what are these days? You have to try to realize these things. They also explain this in Bhagavad Gita. And then second is they say about the Vishesh Gyan, special knowledge, that is called Brahma Gyan. And Brahma Gyan, the knowledge about Brahma. What is Brahma? And who is Brahma Gyani? What is the symptom of Brahma Gyani? Srimad Bhagavad Gita very clearly, step by step, explain this way. Dukhesu unudvignamana, sukhesu vigataspriya, vitarago bhayakrudha, sitodhi munira uchyate. And Brahma Gyani means his mind completely concentrated with Brahma. Brahma means that the effulgence of Lord. भगवान के शरीर के जो अंग कांति जो है उसकी ब्रह्म कहा जाता है. Because Lord is one, but he has three aspects. बदन तत्व विदस्तत्व जज गणमाद्यम ब्रह्मेति भगवानेति ब्रह्मेति परमात्मेति भगवानेति शब्दते. Lord is one, but he has three aspects: Brahma, Paramatma, and Bhagavan. Brahma, that is called the effulgence of his body. That is called Brahma. And that is light. Inside the light, we cannot see the bulb in there. And as a halogen light, and very powerful, 400 what is called watts. You cannot see also the, but only effulgence coming. In the same way, the effulgence of the body of Lord, and it's so powerful, so people they cannot see very far. They are thinking of the Effulgence. So they are thinking, and Lord is Brahma. So far, the Upanishad also saying this way. Again, Jyotirmaya Brahma. Lord says also, I am Brahma. What is the Brahma? Jyotirmaya Brahma. I am the full of effulgence. Because Lord, He explained everything according to the level of the people.
Yeah.
And what kinds of level of people? He also explained this way.
As intelligent you are,
You may understand according your own level of a thinking thought this way. And the step by step, that these things also Srimad Bhagavad Gita discourses these things. And so Brahma Jnani, then coming in Paramatma super soul, and super soul Paramatma, who resides in the heart of all the living entities. And then explain about Bhagavan. Then who is Bhagavan? Who has 6 opulence. Vaishtarja Samagrasya Virja Jasasri Gyana Vairagyaschaiva Sanna Bhaga Itingana. Who has 6 opulence. Then he is called Bhagavan. Vaishtarja, full of, he has vast of opulence. Vaishtarja. Virja, he is very powerful. He controls to everybody. Vaishtarja Virja Jasa. His name, fame and reputation. Vaishtarja Virja Jasa Sri. Fourth, Sri. Sri means his beauty, unique and unparalleled. And Vaishtarja Jasa Sri, Gyan, vast of knowledge also. He knows all the language of the living entities. Samasta, for these lords, he is called the Sarva Bhasavid. Sarva Bhasavid, he knows all the language of the living entities. And even he knows the language of the small ants. He knows all the language of the living entities.
All living beings, not only the Russian.
not only the human being, even all living beings, Kide, Makode, Saap,
Kutte.
and
The Ramayana also giving this way. It's just I give an example. When Lord Ramchandra is the king of Ayodhya, that time he was sitting in his, what is called, judgment place, that is called court. Then when his court finished, then Ramchandra asked to Lakshman, someone outside wait for me. There was no one in there. Then Ramchandra again asked to Lakshman, you can search who is there. Then one dog is sitting in there. Then Ramchandra called to him. Then Ramchandra asked to the dog, what is your complaint? Why you come here? Then dog, he told, I was sleeping on the road. Your pujari also kicked me. So you have to give punishment to him. Then Ramchandra, he asked the pujari of the temple, why did you kick him? They think. Then the pujari, he told, I was going to temple to worship to Lord, but this dog blocked the road. So for this regard, I become very angry and kicked. Then Ramchandra told, no, he is animal's being. You have no right to anyone to kick or give disturb or punishment, they say. Then Lord Ramchandra, he asked to the dog, what punishment do you want to give him? And this is Brahmana. Then dog, he told, he should be the temple president of South India, one very nice, beautiful golden temple. And every day millions, and at that time also Sarno, gold coin is coming. So he will be the temple president of that temple. Wow, this is punishment. Well, yes. Well, why? The dog, he told. Listen very carefully. Dog, before come in my this dog body, I was the temple president of that.
I didn't understand why the doctor is giving a punishment like this.
Then, but every day so much donation coming, lot of wealth of money coming. I could not control my saliva. But I also misuse the money. And for this regard now I have come in this dog body,
And I
possessory.
now he will
You understand this way? So I am saying, just explain this way. Lord Ramchandra, he is Bhagavan. And who is Bhagavan? He knows all the language of the living entities. So for this regard, saying this, Sarva Bhasa Vid, Oishtarya Bija Jasa Sri Gyan, Gyan means knowledge. Oishtarya Bija Jasa Sri Gyan or Vairagya. Vairagya means completely detached, renunciation, detached from the everything. Has no any material sense gratifications. Which is called Bhagavan. So now come the Brahma Jnani means this way also. Brahma Dukhesu Undvigunamina Sukhesu Vigata Spriya Vito Ragu Bhayak Krodha Stitadhi Munira Uchyate. Brahma Jnani means this way. The Dukhesu Undvigunamana. His mind is never disturbed. Any kinds of distress or unhappiness will come. Or in the other hand, and any kinds of lot of happiness will come, his mind also not and bewildered. Oishtarya Bija Jasa Dukhesu because Vigata Spriya Vito Rago. He has no any attachment to anything. And Bhaya in his heart no any kinds of fear. Because he knows I am not this body. And so for this regard, his mind not disturbed. Fear coming from where? Where are the bodily conception coming? That time fear comes.
Here comes when you think you are going to lose something.
This is true also. Bhayang Ditya Abhinivishato Tasa Viparja Asmito. As Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. So just I also explain this way. Vito Ragu Bhaya Krodha. Krodha means his mind also never disturbed. Krodha coming, why we are angry?
When our desire is not fulfilled.
When our desire is not fulfilled and any kinds of obstacles coming, then our desire coming. Then our anger coming.
Knowledge.
Anger.
Intelligence.
You are accused. Then Maharaj will ask you.
This is true or wrong? Vito Rago Bhayak Krodha. So this is called Stitadhi Munira Uchyate. So for this guy, Krishna also step by step explain this way. And that is called the Pesa knowledge also. Then Gujja Jnanam. And that is called confidential knowledge. The Krishna also told to Arjuna, hey Arjuna, listen. How to worship to me? I am the supreme personality of Godhead. Then Mattang Parvatam Nannat Kinchidasti Dhananjaya. Krishna told, hey Arjuna, no one can equal to me. Who will be higher than to me? So saying this way, Mattang Paratar Nannat Kinchidasti Dhananjaya. Hey Dhananjaya Arjuna, I am the supreme. He is very confident. People they don't understand. So everybody have to worship to me. I am not a human being. All the demigod, everything is also they perform their duties and on my instruction. Sun rays, sun sets, and air blowing by Prahita. Everything is what? Under my guidance. Maya dakshana prakriti swati sacharacharam hetu ananakuntya jagad viparivartate. Krishna says very clearly. Maya, according to my guidance, everything is going on this way. Even the nature, Prakriti, nature, also doing everything. How is doing this? According to my guidance. Actually, we are using this modern science. They use what these things, and we are using that is called automatic.
Yeah.
Actually, that is actually not the automatic anything. The door open and close. Is it automatic here? What do you say? No, that one kinds of that
Sensor there.
sensor, the device is there. Arjun, that is that the is not the why all this door is not open and doing other doors. That is one is the electrical or some device is there. Machine or something is there. For this regard, there is you controlling.
You make a very beautiful house and you put lot of chandelier lights, beautiful fan, but you do not give electric connection.
So
What will happen? It will work. So that electric connection is Paramatma.
everything is actual. We are using these things. They automatic. Actually, there is not nothing automatic. And these are the things. Modern science, they also different way. They also explain this way. I like your what is called controller. You control the remote control. And sitting here and shut down the TV. Baby thinking how possible this way. Father, you did not go there. Are you thinking? Actually, in father's hand, that is called the remote control. I say, if without remote control, father shut down the TV or not? Not going to be possible.
So Lord is the remote control of everyone.
So, actually, in the same way, this material, everything is also controlled by Lord. So, for this regard, Krishna says in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Maya dakshena prakriti sruate sacharacharam hetu ananya kuntya jagat vi parivartate. And hey Arjun, listen very carefully. Everything is also controlled by me. And I am the supreme. As a big manager of the company. No necessary he used to come in the company every day. He goes America or here, there, and there he is traveling. But his direction, his instruction, everything is also there. All the workers or the manager, they are doing everything.
He's controlling everything.
They control everything there. So in the same way, this material world, Jada Jagat, not only this one Jada Jagat, innumerable material world, Ananta Jada Jagat also. So everything is also controlled by Lord. So for the Krishna says, Maya Dakshina, he used this word, Maya Adhakshena, according my guidance. Maya Dakshina, Prakriti Swate. Prakriti means their nature. Swate, to to create everything. Everything is my under guidance. How long will be living, or the one living entities, how long we will be stay in this material world? Everything is controlled by Lord. You cannot say this day how long will we stay in this material world.
No.
Don't know. Krishna knows everything. He is saying Bhagavan. So say Maya Dakshana Prakriti Swate Sacharam Hetu Andakana Jagat Vipurivarti. What is it doing everything? I am the supreme. I am the supreme controller. So this is called the Guja Gyan. Guja Gyan, this. Very confidential knowledge. But who is understand this? Modern science or scientists, they don't believe. They think, oh, I am doing this way. Or when going to the aeroplane, when aeroplane up and down, that time, oh God, save me, save me.
God save me.
Huh?
God save me.
All everything there. So actual Srimad Bhagavad Gita also discourses these things also. Gujjatama Gyan. And then his Gujjatama Tamo again. There is always you say Krishna says, you worship to me. Manamana bhavu, madbhakto, madjaji, mang namaskuru. You pay manmana bhavu, you absorb with me. Absorb. Manmana bhavu. Madbhakto, you have to become my devotee. Madjaji, you worship to me. Madbhakto, madjaji, mang namaskuru. You pay your obeisance. I am supreme this. This sarva gujjak tama srinu me. Krishna told, hey Arjun, this is the fifth knowledge. Then sarva gujjatama. Matchitta madgata prana budhyanta prasparam. Matchitta madgata prana budhyanta prasparam. Tusanti cha ramanti cha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I think this is your slok, 10th chapter, slok number 9. Matchitta madgata prana. You always absorb with me. So then you explain this. For this, Srimad Bhagavad Gita explained. Gurudev explained this sloka very nicely. Actually, this sloka, in this sloka is actually the mood of the gopis mood. Gopi mood. How Braj gopis, how they always absorb with Krishna. And when they perform their any household duties, they absorb with Krishna. Jaduhane avahanane matana pralepa pranchaya chanardva rudito chanamarjanado gayanti chainam rakta dhiyavosru kantho dhanna brajastriyo urukrama chitta jano. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. Who is called Brajavasis? One who completely absorbed with Krishna. Even they perform their household duties, remember to Krishna. Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. He Krishna, he Jadava, he Sakheti. Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. Govinda Damo Dharmadhaveti. When they're milking the cows, that time they will absorb with Krishna. And that time all the sweet sound coming and all the types of rhythm coming. That time they are not use any mridanga, kartar, harmonium, but all the sweet sound coming. Brahma Samhita gives evidence. Katha ganam nattang gamnopi. When gopis, they speak to each other, very nice, beautiful, sweet melody coming in there. Katha ganam nattang gamnopi. When they, what is called, walk, and very nice, beautiful dancing pose. Katha ganam nattang gamnopi. Vangsi priya sakhi is there. And Vangsi, they are the fruit of Krishna. How is powerful is there. Kastrangate kalpadam benu gitam. Kastrangate kalpadam benu gitam. When Krishna plays the flute, everybody's heart completely intoxicated and enchanted. Look at this. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence.
Even the river, the
Jamuna water. How is beautiful this is. Naddastata tadvadharja mukunda gitam. Sukadeva Goswami Pad told to Srimad Bhagavatam, told to Parikshit Maharaj. That is called Benugit. When Krishna played the flute, the sound of the flute, how is powerful. The water is coming from up to down. But water is not again flowing to the ground. And they also are making the whirlpool. Gurnapada. So saying the Naddastata Taduvadharja Mukunda Gitam. Then, so even when not only these things, also the birds, deer, and peacock, peahen, how they completely intoxicated with the sound of the flute of Krishna. Dhannasmo modogoto hiranna eta.
Baby cow
And
drinking the milk of the mother.
Stop drinking.
Just stop. Just
उसके मुंह में milk पड़ा हुआ है. She is not swallowing.
Gavasya mukha nirgata venugitam. Then when Krishna played the flute, the cows, they stopped to chewing the grass. Half grassy inside their mouth and half outside, but still they are chewing. And their two ears completely also are instant. They want to drink the sweet nectar from the fruit of Govinda. Look, this thing also is describing this way. And their eyes completely open. They are taking darshan to Govinda. And they look like someone painted in the paper, as like cows paint, In the same way, the cows of Vrindavan, they completely stand, stabdibhut ho jate, and just taking darshan beautiful of Govinda. Their heart melted. And so for this regard, tears rolling down from their eyes, dropping one way. Look like one falls, falling down. These types of description in India. Gavasya Krishna mukha nirgata venu gitam. Go drija druma hiranna pulokana vibramam. Go means the cows. Go dija means that the birds. Prayu batanga bihaga vrindavane usmin. Prayu batanga bihaga muna vrindavane usmin. The birds of Vrindavan. Vrindavan ke pakshi samudaya. They are not the only ordinary birds. They are all the Rishi Munis. They also manifest in the form of Vihanga. The birds.
I thought they will understand that.
And look this. Vihanga means birds. Look this. Because they can take darshan to Lord very far away. And as far as this regard, the birds of Vrindavan, they are sitting on top of the branches of the tree. Upar बैठ करते. So far they can take darshan to Govinda. So prayo batamba bihaga Vrindavane asmin. Look this thing. And the trees of Vrindavan, how they had love and affection with Krishna. When Krishna used to come in Vrindavan, herding the cows, and that type of trees, they also make very nice, beautiful path with their petals of the flowers. फूलों के पंखुड़ियों के द्वारा ऐसे सुंदर ब्रिज बना देते हैं. Because they are thinking, ये Krishna, how possible walk in the path of Vrindavan? For this regard, they make very nice, beautiful, soft blanket or carpet this way. And when Krishna come very close to them, and the trees, they with their leaves, they also fanning to Krishna. And they offer their flowers, fruits to Krishna. They embrace to Krishna with their lengthy hands, with their branches. Because in Vrindavan, they are not ordinary these things. They are transcendental. Jatkinchit kinogulma kikoto mukang goshte samusintat sarvananda mukunda ditam lilanukulang param shastri vasputam vinshnudin janchaya brahma devi saspriyanam madhyantaya vandate. Very clearly explained this way. In transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan, then everything is the conscious being, Chetan. And they have so much love and affection with Krishna. This thing. Even the spider, snake, how they have love and affection with Krishna. Externally, we are saying they are snake, a spider, what is called? Scorpion. Actually, they have love and affection with Krishna. Just they lilanukulam param, all they are helping to Radha Krishna, how they meet together. Radha Krishna मिलन के लिए वो सब लीला आदि करते रहते, कार्य आदि करते रहते। ये जत्किंचित तिनुगुल में किकट मुखं गुष्टे समसी तत् सर्वानंद मुकुंद द्वैतं लीलानुकूलं परम शास्त्रीय वस्फुटित निश्चिंत जानचा ब्रह्मादि भी सस्प्रियनो मदयंत वंदते। पहले व्हाट विल से इन ब्रह्मा जी, four-headed Brahma, Shiva, Narada, all their hankering, and how to how to take bath in Vrindavan, stay in Vrindavan, and do perform bhajan sadhana to Krishna.
ब्रह्मा जी माउंटेन बन गए हैं, वो भी वैसा माउंटेन बोलते हैं जहाँ पे छोटे जात की जो आती है कन्याएं चाहे वो अपना एड़ी रख दे मेरे इस पर, तो उसकी जो चरण धूली है मेरे सर पे पड़ गई। ब्रह्मा जी जैसे आदमी ऐसा सोचते हैं।
जद गोकुल होपी कतमा उंगली रजो अभिषेकम, ब्रह्मा जी से है। ब्रह्मा जी very humble, he saying, oh maybe I will not take birth in Vrindavan, maybe I will take birth in Gokul. Jad Gokul hopi katama ungri raju abhisekam. In the Gokul when where Krishna performed his childhood pastimes, that is called Nanda Gokul. You know, in that place maybe I will become the small piece of stone. है छोटे एक पत्थर हो के जन्म लेके आ रहे हैं। But which stone? But when the sweepers, they are going to Brajavasi's house to cleaning their toilet. After cleaning their toilet, when they return back their home, and that stone they also
their feet,
rub their feet, and that stone I want to become that stone. Or Vishwanath Chakravarti explained this. So that means Braj, take birth in Braj. This is very, very confident thing, not so easy. So why I am saying this? Matchitta madgata prana bodhanta parasparam. How would we completely absorb with Krishna? Krishna saying this. Matchitta and madgata prana. Their life here, everything belongs to me. They are not thinking anything. And when they meeting together, they discuss about my sweet amorous pastimes. This is the process also. Srimad Bhagavad Gita actual giving so many instruction, these things also. Our bhajan. Then when to the last Arjuna he told, so what will do now? Krishna told last instruction I am giving to you. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja aham tvang sarvapapebho mokshami ma. You give up all your duty responsibilities just to surrender to me. I assure to you, deliver from this all kinds of your debts. समस्त ऋण से तुम्हें मुक्त करा देता हूँ। अच्छा, इस संसार में सबसे बड़े मुक्त ऋण किसका है जिसको हम चुका नहीं सकते? मातृ ऋण। ये आपको कैसे पता चला? पितृ ऋण से कोई
what is the biggest debt in this world? Like somebody takes money from somebody,
you cannot repay it,
which you cannot repay. So mother debt is you cannot repay.
You cannot free from the debts of your mother.
Your existence is, I know you are the son or daughter of the God, but in this material world your existence comes through your mother. Mother and father both, but mother nourishes more than father.
Unless the imprinting is different.
But mother's debt is quite saying this way. And Shastra saying, if you free from the debts of your mother, need 7 births. 7 births. मातृ ऋण से मुक्त होने के लिए आपके 7 बार मातृगर्भ जन्म लेना पड़ेगा। तो आप कितने माह हो जाएंगे? तो आप पॉसिबल फ्री फ्रॉम डेट, फ्री फ्रॉम डेट।
Again 7 times again. Keep on doing. So it's better become the servant of the Lord. Yeah.
So how will free from? Krishna says,
सर्वधर्म परित्यज्य, माता का ऋण भी वो माफ कर देगा।
नहीं, सबसे ऋण से मुक्त हो, इसलिए श्रीमद् भागवत गीता गतो मुकुंद परिहित कर्तव्यम, and if we completely surrender to Krishna, then we will be free from all the day. Other again and again will come in this matter. Again and come. Huh?
But इधर ना कुछ अभी अन्य जगह जाती ना अनेक, but in Rai Ramanand संवाद चैतन्य महाप्रभु बोलते एट ऑफ बिजनेस सर्वधर्म परित्यज्य मामेकम शरणम व्रज, बोलते you are looking for, you want to get rid of the debt, and that's why you are surrendering.
This is also true, but he is saying same Krishna. Actual Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he wants to listen about Jiva's, what is called? Jiva's, the constitution form. And ये कहता है आत्मस धर्म क्या है, जीव स्वरूपगत धर्म। फर्स्ट चैतन्य महाप्रभु एक वही रायनमंद टोल्ड ये कृष्ण ये विष्णु भक्त प्रभु का ये पढ़ श्लोक साध्य निर्णय, राय को स्वधर्म आचरण विष्णु भक्ति है। महाप्रभु टोल्ड दिस इज एक्सटर्नल, यह बाध्य आगे कह रहा। This time everything is saying this way, this is external, external. Then actual Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he wants to listen and what is the constitutional form of the Lord. This is the thing for this. Then Jiva's constitution is how to completely surrender to him, serve to Lord with our knowledge of relationship. This is very important. And so for this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying this is external, this is external. But when Raya Ramanda he told, and he
Which one you want? C1? Huh? Oh, type C is there?
This one? No. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Papa wala चाहिए।
Yeah, that.
Maharaj, by the time it fixes, one question there, we always argue. Life is there. Karma. So only in the
what is it? Bhogi?
And karma.
Bhog,
No, there's nothing
Bhog-
karma. Bhakti or bhakti?
no. Listen to me. तो मनुष्य हमारा जन्म नीति एटाई एकटा योनि जेटा कर्म करते
মধ্যে দুইটা হয়, একটা হচ্ছে আমাদের পূর্বজন্মে প্রাপ্ত কর্ম ভোগছি, আবার নতুন কর্ম সৃষ্টি হয়
चोरी करते
তৈরি করে। কিন্তু পশুজনী বা ইতর মনুষ্য ইতর জনী যেগুলো রয়েছে কেবল ওরা ভোগজনী করে, ওই পাপগুলো তারা ভোগে যাচ্ছে,
মনুষ্য ছাড়া ইভেন দেবতা গুলো আছে ওরা ভোগ্য নেই।
সবগুলো চলে যাচ্ছে। হ্যাঁ,
যখন ভোগ্য নিতে তাহলে ব্রহ্মা শিব নারদ সবাই কি করে তপ কি করে করতে পারে? ভোগী ভোগছে তো।
না ওদের শরীর তো ওদের শরীর তো ভোগজনী নয়, তো ওরা আমাদের শিক্ষা দিয়েছেন। ব্রহ্মাজি মুক্ত পুরুষ, ব্রহ্মাজি হি ইজ liberated person, Shivji is a liberated person, but acting the role as like an conditional soul, बद्ध जी की बात दे दिया।
They are beyond.
और जैसे हम अभी जो बताया जो
भगवत गीता भी थोड़ी कृष्ण
अर्जुन
अर्जुन के लिए थोड़ी बोले,
अर्जुन है तो मोह হয় না, अर्जुन
के लिए बोले।
Arjuna is part and parcel of Krishna. How he can be down to hear all those things? He knows everything.
Arjun is the eternal associate of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar, but he is doing this lila, lamentation coming this way.
Even all in
For this অর্জুনে লক্ষ্য করি কৃষ্ণ জীবের গীতা দিল উপদেশ। কৃষ্ণ he gives all the lesson of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Just Arjuna is coming this way. So for this, the Gita Mahatma is saying there, Arjuna, Sarvoponiषदो गावो दुग्धा गोपालो नंदन पार्थो वत्स सुधी भोक्ता.
तो कहाँ बना के लाए पर
Partha means Arjun. Arjun is as like calf. Krishna, he is the milkman. He is milking the cows. All the Ved, Puran, Upanishad, that is called Sarvopanishado Gavo Dogdha. Gai ke doodh. And who is milking? Krishna himself. But without calf, cow will not give the milk. So for this, Arjun is there. Arjun is as like calf. Or Sudhi Bhokta, those who are sober person, they are drinking. So for this regard, this is
Now you have any question? Ask question.
Later first here. Question comes later. Then she has to chew that and then it will come.
So I wanted to ask a question. Unless
Yeah.
Maharaj could you about. So you know how it's all connected, right? So
महाराज से पूछो हमसे क्या
no,
पूछ रहे
so
हो?
Maharaj, I'm trying to explain, and maybe you guys can help me formulate my question.
Okay.
You know how it's all related, right? Yogi, all is lila, right? So the way you started off this question, right, about the hunter. What lila is the hunter in?
Oh, you do not know that?
No.
Then it's my fault. I didn't tell you.
Okay.
Okay, क्या था अंदर क्या बताओ क्यों ऐसे कृष्ण को हुआ? तो मौसल लीला में उसके भी पहले का है.
You can do the yoga. You can do
Yeah.
Dwapar Yuga, Treta Yuga. You can just follow the ideas.
Let's
through.
महाराज से
Ah.
বলছে তো ওইটা ছিল না কি বলছি শ্রবণ কুমার যখন মারা গিয়েছে তো বলেছিল কি
Someone to ask, Ma Baba Maharaj.
হ্যাঁ মা বাবা
अंध माता पिता.
হ্যাঁ আর ওখান থেকে তো চলে আসছে কি এটা কি করে হবে মৌসল লীলা কেন হয়েছে ও জিজ্ঞেস করছে
नहीं नहीं मुसलीला श्रवण लीला संग आलादा কথা.
না ওইটা আছে নাকি ঘিসে ঘিসে ওইটা যে একটা ছিল মুসলকে একটা কানটা ওইটা ফেলে দিয়েছে
মুসলীলার কথা হচ্ছে কি যে যখন এটা শ্রীমদ্ ভাগবতের মধ্যে রয়েছে যে যখন কৃষ্ণ দ্বারকাপুরীতেই ছিলেন,
ইংলিশ বলুন
হ্যাঁ আপনারা জানেন তো, শুধু আমি
ও
আপনাদের
জিজ্ঞেস করছে কি সব লীলা এক দুসরে সে অ্যাটাচড আছে আমাদেরকে শিক্ষা দেয়
হ্যাঁ,
সো এটা যে কৃষ্ণকে যেটা বান লেগেছে ওটা কেন হয়েছে তো যারা কে ছিল ওইটাও রিজন আছে ওই বান কোথায় থেকে এসেছে ওইটাও বান তো যেটা मछली के अंदर चला गया था
এই
उसको घस घस के पूरा
ওই তো লীলা কথাটা শুনুন. দিস ইজ ফার্স্ট ইউ ট্রাই টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দিস স্টোরি, দেন ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড হোয়াট ইজ দ্য significance about this lila. When Krishna he was staying in Dwarkapuri, and that time Shambha and all his friends they tried to joke with the rishi munis, and then they also somehow he disguised the form and one pregnant lady, and all the things are just with they joke with the sadhus. So he put some cloth in his belly and he asked,
boy,
and I will give birth to the baby, first birth of my baby is a male or female, beta or beti hogi. And that then sadhu, Trikalagya sadhus, they you joked with me. Then he gave curse, and in your belly coming out on the
लोहा का ही
and that the stone muscle,
Then we
Then-
destroy your home.
then destroy all your dynasty.
इसलिए कभी साधु लोग से जोक नहीं करते
ये very important this.
नेवर ट्राई टू
And who's the hunter?
अभी आएगा सुबह
देखो this hunter is actual. This is a hunter is coming. Okay, so that time when they found that the muscle, and that time they asked to
उग्र से
Ugrasen. Then Ugrasen told, okay, you can rub on the stone, and the last part of the which is very small and throw in the middle of the ocean, and that the last part of the iron, and the one fish ate. And then the one fisherman, he caught that the fish, and from the belly of the fish,
Yes, take out that.
take out that and then he gave to one person. His name is called, and what is called Jorabed. Jorabed. And he used this, Jorabed, that the hunter. He used this, and this last part of the
Tip of the
tip of the arrow, iron, and he used this way. Or when Krishna, he was sitting in Prabhas Khanda, or here also all the Dargavasis, actual some Brajavas, Dargavasis, they also attend to Golok Vrindavan. And so, and others, they are fighting to each others, because these, when they rubbed the iron, and some also powder and make the create one kinds of leaves. What is it called?
cane.
Cane. And
बम्बू जैसा उससे लड़ोगे तो बहुत चोट लगता है.
वो एक दूसरे से मारना शुरू कर. They also fighting to each others and left to it. And this Leela is going on this. Then Krishna and Baladev Prabhu also departed, and then Krishna, he came in Prabhas Khanda, and Krishna, he was sitting, and then Uddhav came. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence.
Yes.
Then Krishna, he gave many instructions to Uddhav. Hey Uddhav, you have to return back, and to Maitri and others, they are waiting for you. These things.
Because
Then within few days, this Darga will be completely submerged in the ocean. This way. And actually, this now coming is that the Jorabed, and the hunter who shooted the Krishna's loaded feet, and with that the arrow. Actually, the people are saying, actually, this is not true. They think it's called he is called Bali. And
Bali from
Bali.
बाली को भगवान
And because when in Ramchandra he killed Bali, the Bali told, I did not to disturb to you. So why did you kill me? So action and reaction is coming in this way.
So from Satyug, the Bali.
No, Bali is coming in that Treta Yuga.
Sorry, Treta Yuga.
Then Dapar Yuga. Krishna is coming in Dapar Yuga.
And then Satyug, there's no relationship with this, or
No, but it's not true actually.
no? It's the stories.
Actually, this story is just showing to us this way. Because Kurmi people, they want to listen this way. Because Lord,
तो केवल ये होता है.
but try to understand, Lord is beyond of all kinds of karma is the thing. Lord, he has no karma. For this guy, Krishna says, Janma karma cho me dibbam.
दिव्य
Me dibbam, my.
चारना
All my activities, that is called the transcendental.
Of course.
the one who knows it.
But he is showing this Leela as a human being.
I like the intricacy. The whole, I mean, I'm sorry, I'm speaking out. The intricacy that you can kind of follow these leelas from different pastimes and from different yogas.
But in all Leela, it is not that it will be done in Satyug, it will be done
No,
in
but you see a lot of relationships,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Whatever happens in Dwapar and then Treta, there's a lot of, maybe even in Kali Yuga.
For human being, we have to take that we should not fight, we should not joke with the Rishi. These are the lessons from
This-
But in Bali comes in Kali Yuga too, or no?
Pala?
In Kali Yuga, Bali comes?
Kali Yuga Bali.
Yeah.
Bali, this is no need. Jambuwa is coming.
The Bali
That-
daughter has come as a Putna. Because when she saw Baman there, she said, oh my God, he's so beautiful.
Huh?
Like,
No, Bali, no, Bali Maharaj. Bali and Bali Maharaj difference.
Bali is different than Bali.
Bali and Bali. Pronunciation same look like.
महाराज अपने की आज संध्या वाला की नहीं बने
अरे आर किसी खा कर में
फॉल फॉल काटी
हाँ?
ना काल के तो खेते नहीं आपकी कहीं कॉन्टम है
Oh, Kalke to Ekadashi.
अरे एकादशी प्रसाद
कैसे तो प्लेजरफुल
আপনারা যা খাইয়েছেন সব বুঝে থালা চেটে চেটে খেয়ে নিয়ে যাবে একটু কিছু রাখি
রুটি আর এটা
আনার রুটি।
মঞ্জু মহারাজ খাবেন
আরে আর কিছু খাবো না রাত্রে।
এটা দুধ
ফল মারা
মারা
যাবে
দুধ দিয়ে খাতে
ফল
ল্যাকটোজ
খুব ভালো আঙ্গুর দিয়ে এসছি
হ্যাঁ
Fruits